Hey guys, today's video will show you how to get free diamonds on Bigo Live, free beans, it's all here now. So let's go into the tutorial. So we open up Bigo Live and we see that we have nothing. It's all very gross and sad, 21,000. So let's turn on unlimited diamonds. Let's minimize. Let's see new results. Yo, it works! So I'm going to show you guys how to get the Bigo Live mod so you too can get free diamonds today. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to get it. There's no one that needs to get mad at me. This is new and it will work for everyone today, tomorrow, and the next day. First things first, we're just going to go onto the tweakmod.com. Actually, no, we're not. We're going on, I believe, Hexmods. I'm not sure. We can check Tweakmod, but I don't think it's there. Yeah, it's not. So it's on Hexmods. Alright, so I'm on Hexmods. This is a modded website. It's not very hard to explain, but you see Bigo, press on that, press install, press download button. Download it, you're done. Now before it downloads, there will be a verification where you have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions, 100% free from official app stores. So let me just show you guys how to do that. So as you can see guys, it's loading up and we're done. So now we see our page and it says missing files, blah, blah, blah. Complete 2 apps to install Bigo Live mod. So blah, 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 blah. So basically what there is 2 apps. You got to download them and follow the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from official store. Now, depending on your country, you're going to see different apps. So I'm in the US, these are my apps. TikTok, Misplay, Text Now, Walmart gift card offer. But anyway, guys, just do 2 of them. Just press on them. There's a video. You can do whatever you want to do. See you later, but that's how to do it. So I'll see you in another video. But yeah, that's how to get free diamonds on Bigo Live, basically. So yeah. As you can see, this is new, and there's lots of haters and stuff that come at me, and they're like, there's no way to get Bigo Live diamonds for free, it's not possible. They don't really know what they're talking about, guys. It is possible. You just have to be smart, and you gotta think clearly, because there's a lot of people that can't think of mods, they can't envision that for themselves, but it is real, and it's 2025, so should be a Bigo Live mod around there by now, and there is. So peace out, bro. Just go to Hexmods, type in Bigo Live. You're done. So there you go. It's a pretty cool site. There's some other stuff on here. Apparently it's a mod to get Instagram followers, but I wouldn't trust that. There's a Discord Nitro mod. There's lots of shit on here, bro. Everything under the frigging sun. But Bigo Live is my app of choice, and that's where I'm hunting. Also, apparently this has 100,000 downloads, so that's really interesting. So I will see you in another video. But if you do value having diamonds in Bigo Live, because a lot of people don't, or I should say if you value getting them for free, because a lot of people will buy them, subscribe, because I'll make another video. If you subscribe, I'll make a part 2 of me buying stuff with the diamonds or something like that. But yeah, this is super insane, guys, so be sure to try it out. This actually works, guys, so yeah, I'm not trying to be rude, but like, what are you doing? You have no diamonds and you're like complaining? Literally, bro, just go to Hexmods, find Bigo Live, you're done. That's it. It's so easy, bro. It's so simple. Like, there's haters and stuff, but I mean, trust me, they're at the end of the day, they're just paying for the diamonds because they're skeptical. So you can let them be skeptical, or you can fight back and you can actually get diamonds for free because you were brave enough to go to hexmods.com and download the Bigo Live mod. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe. Peace out. Ooh.